Standing in front of the advanced S-400 air defense system in Punjab's Adampur, which Pakistan claimed it had destroyed with its China-made JF-17 fighter jets, Prime Minister Narendra Modi exposed Islamabad's blatant lies when he made a televised address to the troops at that forward air base. Also, in the stern message, the Prime Minister Modi said that the Pakistan's army and terrorists that it shelters have nowhere to run or hide anymore, crediting the armed forces for the sending of a decisive message to the Pakistan's military. The Prime Minister said that you all, the soldiers, have shown the Pakistan armies that there is no place left in Pakistan where it can shelter the terrorists. There is no corner left in Pakistan where terrorists can sit in peace. Also, we can hit them no matter where and what they are doing. Also, he went on to say that going forward, India will not spare even one chance to the Pakistan's army to save the terrorists. Also, speaking about the precision strikes that targeted the terror camps in the Pakistan, Prime Minister Modi said that the thought of our drones and missiles haunts them. They have been on the sleepless nights. Shortly after his visit to the air base, Prime Minister Modi wrote on X, saying that earlier this morning I went to the Air Force Station AFS Adampur and met our brave air warriors and soldiers. It was a very special experience to be with those who epitomize the courage, determination and fearlessness. India is eternally grateful to our armed forces for everything they do for the nation. Also, in another claim by Pakistan that was proven to be a lie, Prime Minister Modi landed at the Adampur Air Force Station, which underscored that the runway at the air base field is perfectly fine. Pakistan has claimed that its missile hit the runway at the air base. It was also claimed that the impact was so severe that the air base would be out of action for at least a year. To back this false claim, sources have said that the Pakistan's army used morphed satellite images of the Adampur Air Force Station to lie to the Pakistani public and the world at large. Prime Minister Modi's visit today has laid those claims to rest. Also, in nearly 30-minute speech, Prime Minister Modi sent several warnings to Pakistan, reiterating the fact that Operation Sindoor marks a shift in India's doctrine to combat terrorism emanating from the Pakistan. Also, striking on the terror camps located throughout Pakistan and the Pakistani occupied Kashmir is now the new normal, he said.